Hey there, Excel lovers. Let's make a quick video on how to efficiently and correctly print a document on paper. Let's say you have a table like this. This is an example table from World Health Organization containing the mortality rates per country. It has around 200 rows. It's a long table and it will obviously be printed on multiple pages. If you try to directly print this page without doing any adjustments, this is what you will be getting. File, print, and look at the print preview. You see, most of the columns are not represented on the printout. And as you go along, you will see that also there are no rows at the top of the table. It's extending and it's actually a total mess. You cannot use this printout on sheet efficiently. This is meaningless to print out. So let's make some adjustments before printing this out. While we are here on the print table, we can make some of the adjustments pretty quickly. For example, this is a long table to the right, and it's better to use not a portrait layout, but a landscape layout of the paper. Change it on here first. Make the paper oriented on landscape. You see, you will have a longer top edge, so it will make the visibility better. The problem, we still don't have all the columns represented. You see that the columns are cut here. To make it correct, we can choose some scaling options from here. Go there and select fit all my columns on one page. You see, now I have even the rightmost column on my page. Is it true? Let's check. Yes, the rightmost column is maternal mortality ratio, and when you go to print preview, you see that it's maternal mortality ratio. Now we have all of our columns on the page. One trick here, this is normal margins, and to be honest, they are big margins. If you cut these margins a bit, you can make the visibility better. Let's choose narrow margins from here. Much better, right? Much better. Okay, what else to do? Let's check now the other pages. You see at the bottom, Excel tells you that this will be a 5-page printout. Page 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the problem here? Did you notice that? I am pretty sure you did. The header rows are not repeated on each page. On page 1 you have the column headers, but on page 2 you don't have them. So it will make it very hard for you to track what these columns were once you print this out. To correct that, go back into your Excel, select Page Layout tab, click on the little button here on Page Setup, go to Sheet, and choose the rows to repeat at the top of each printout. For that, click this one, and it can be a single row, or like in this case, it can be multiple rows. You see? So I want to repeat from rows 1 to 7 to repeat on each printed page. Let's say OK, and go to the preview again, print. Now first page, second page, boom. Third page, I have the headers, fourth page, and the final page. On every page, now I have the correct header rows. So this was meant to be a quick video, and here's your quick video. You can go deeper by adding page numbers, by adding your name here through page setup, header footer, play around, or ask your questions on the comments so I can make detailed videos on those also if you would like to. There that is. Have a nice day. Don't forget to hit print.